Hi, I'm meteorologist Tony Petrarca in the Pinpoint 12 Forecast Center. You clicked on the Weather Now link on this late Tuesday afternoon. Sunshine is back after a little light snow very early this morning. Looking at our threat tracker, which is fairly low tonight through Wednesday and Thursday. Nothing really super high impact. However, after midnight, some very light snow showers. And there may be like a little sugar coating, a little dusting in spots, which in itself is not a big deal, but sometimes you can get a little slippery, a little slick. So just be mindful of that towards daybreak on Wednesday. Otherwise, it's really a good deal of sunshine on Wednesday. Much colder. Not the bitter air that we're expecting, at least not yet. That doesn't arrive until actually Friday and Saturday. In fact, speaking of that, let's talk about the temps. Average high is about 37, 38 degrees this time of year, and we are cooler next few days. However, you can clearly see how the bottom falls out here both Friday and Saturday. This is deceiving because this 28 degrees on Friday is probably a morning high temperature. It is just going to tumble big time in the afternoon and Friday evening. The core of this dangerous cold is actually Friday night into Saturday morning. That's the high temperature there on Saturday afternoon. Look at the huge rapid rebound by Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. So it's significant cold. In fact, it's dangerous cold, but at the same time, it's very short-lived, only for a couple of days. So we take a look at, Friday evening, Friday night to Saturday. We're talking dangerous wind chills, 20, 15, 25, even 30 degrees below zero, the feel-like temperature. Very windy and near record cold Friday night and into Saturday morning. So intense, but at the same time, somewhat short-lived. Here's satellite photos showing the clear sky. Some of the snow from this morning is offshore. And here's the wider view. And we'll take a look at the entire Northeast. And you can see precipitation across the Mid-Atlantic moving away. But we'll get another little strip of moisture that'll come in overnight tonight. So when we take this into the future, and this is pre-dawn. This is around 3 o'clock in the morning. Little tiny strip of light snow. But with the temperatures being so cold, it wouldn't take much to kind of dust and coat the ground in spots. But by 8 o'clock in the morning, the sun's back out. So overall, your Wednesday is sunny and colder, but otherwise quiet. This is Wednesday afternoon, and we'll take you into Wednesday evening with clear skies. All right, let's talk temperatures. All right, now, where are we? This is Wednesday afternoon, and again, nothing unusual here with the temps. You got 31. The core of the real cold air is over the border up in Canada. So watch right in here. This big purple air. This is the Arctic air. This is the leading edge of the Arctic air. And watch how it just races towards New England. Now here we are. This is Friday. Well, this is essentially late Thursday night. Temperatures are in the lower 30s. But the core of this cold air doesn't really get in here until Friday evening, Friday night, and into Saturday. But I just want to show you the contrast between, seasonably chilly and then just outright frigid right up in here. So that's headed our way. In the meantime, let's talk about snow. Now, I don't want to give the impression here that there's a snowstorm with shovels and plows, but there may be a little sugar coating, a little dusting by daybreak on Wednesday, especially points south. So there could be some slippery spots. But dry skies for this evening with increasing clouds, and temperatures are colder in the mid-20s at 11 o'clock. Sunshine for your Wednesday morning. There may be a few slippery spots early. We'll start with clouds at around 7 a.m., and then rapid clearing, sunshine. Colder, 11 a.m., 28, and looking at high temperatures with a good deal of sunshine, generally in the low to middle 30s. For Wednesday afternoon. We're dry on Thursday, and then the big weather headline here is the intense cold. Friday afternoon, especially Friday night into Saturday. More than likely, wind chill advisories and wind chill warnings are going to be issued for both Friday and Saturday, so stay tuned.